Students, today I'm going to discuss with you about a poem and the summary that the name of the poem is The Snake Trying, that has been written by W. Ross. So in this poem you will come to know about the irony that has been written by the author and the human beings who are trying to kill the snakes out of the fear, and the death of this fear is just by the poisonous bite. Some people are having a fear that if they will be bitten by the snake then they will get died. Sometimes we are not getting died with the poison, but sometimes the fear is just making us die. So the fear of the death is common to all living creatures. So moreover, the poet wants to underline the fact that the all snakes are not poisons. So water snake is often harmless, that the water snake is being discussed in this poem. So the poet sees a beautiful water snake that is lying on the sand. Obviously, it's not poisonous, but someone chases it with a stick, and the person who is having a stick in his hand, then he is tampering with the snake with the help of the stick. So it curves its thin long body and tries to escape at once. So it glides through the water gracefully. It will go through the water and hide into the reeds. So here he is saying that the snake is not harmless. Actually, the color of the snake is green. It looks so beautiful and graceful. The small creature that is attracting the poet, who feels the snake is harmless even to children, so it should not be attacked. So if we are attacking the creature of the nature, then it is very bad for us. So it should be allowed to go through the water and hide itself among the reeds. So if we are caring the natural objects and natural creatures, then we can save this world to get extincted these species, and we should never harm such type of the like creatures, snakes and some other creatures who are the. So I think this poem is clear to all of you, and rest of the questions will be discussed in the next video session.